Hello, everyone, and welcome to 304 East Lake Street here in South Lyon, Michigan. If you're familiar with South Lyon, then you know that 10 Mile becomes Lake Street as you approach downtown. That means you're basically walking distance from anything happening in and around town. And in a town full of new construction, I'm beyond excited for you to see this modernized home that was originally built in 1920. You're sure to fall in love with the heated kitchen floors, large rooms, beautiful yard, and a 2.5 car garage. The home has not only received modern interior upgrades, but has also added a new roof that was put on about 9 years ago, a newer hot water tank, AC, boiler, dog run, garage door, large gutters and drains, additional ductwork, and really too many things for me to add. This home is exquisite both inside and out, and I can't wait for you to see for yourself.